If you're noticing sickly plants or those covered in this white kind of fuzzy looking material, you're probably experiencing what's called mealybugs. These are soft-bodied insects that have a waxy outer covering that kind of protect their bodies. And what they do is suck the sap of many plants. They get on the underside of the leaves. Look at this. This one is just infested, and at this point, this one might be too far gone. Now the excrement from the insects will fall on the leaves below, and then on top of that, fungus will grow. So we have a sooty mold. So we got a double-pronged issue with this plant. Now what can we do about it? First of all, we're going to take all of these out. We're going to eliminate this heavily infested leaves. Now we could cut this back to the ground. If you have this on your indoor plants, you actually want to isolate them from other plants, because once this gets started, it spreads very rapidly. One other thing that we can do is utilize horticultural oils, neem oil, or you can make a soapy water solution that will help cover that waxy body and kind of smother that insect out. Some others recommend using a 70% isopropyl alcohol. You can soak that in cotton balls and wipe them on the bodies of the insects, and it'll kind of dry them out and kill them. But you want to stay on top of this before it spreads. This area could be covered on many of the plants very shortly. So if you're seeing this white substance on the bottom of your leaves, you've got mealybugs, check them out. Make sure you stay on top of them. Remove material that you can, destroy it, or utilize organic options such as horticultural oils, neem oils, and soaps. For Get It Growing, I'm Heather Kirk-Ballard with the LSU AgCenter.